Hey friends, this is a quick look at the Walker's Razor range headphones. These are a great addition to the range experience. I don't know how I got on without them. I just have really enjoyed having these. They've made it a much more pleasant experience and just simpler because I can leave these on my ears at all times. And with the way these things work, basically you set your volume level and it'll use these microphones. You can hear your buddy in conversation, but as soon as a shot goes off, it suppresses the volume and protects your hearing. So you're able to carry on conversation, and then when live fire is happening, it's protecting your hearing. And then as soon as that's done, you can just continue talking without having to remove anything from your ears. So it's pretty great overall experience. You can also run a hard line with 1/8" / 3.5mm headphone cable to whatever you want to plug in there, maybe music or something like that. I've never used it for that. They're very comfortable. These gel cups are super comfortable on your ears. They don't cause you to sweat, and they're not bad when it's cold out either. So I've used them in all weather conditions without any discomfort. The amount of pressure, the spring tension is just right. I don't get fatigue from wearing them around my ears. They don't get uncomfortable after a few hours. And they store up nicely as well. So if you press them in, they fold up and take up very little space. I'd say the only negative, and this is user error, is I will, when I'm putting it away, I might nudge this and put it in the on position, and the batteries will die if you do that. So that's the only con. But again, that's user error. That's not the fault of the headphones themselves. The power supply or the battery is over here on this side, and they're just two AA batteries. So super easy to replace, super easy to get a hold of. Don't have to worry about finding special batteries. So all in all, I think these things are an excellent option, and they have really added to my range experience, and I would highly recommend them.